Mr. Obi bought 20 plots of Monique Estate for 2.5 million naira each around 2022, and now 2023 Monique is selling for 3 million naira. So he made 10 million naira profit in less than 1 year. Same goes to Mrs. Eze, who bought 10 plots of Golden Gate Estate and will be making a profit of 5 million naira by the 1st of September. Amazing, right? Now imagine how much profit you would make in the next 2 to 5 years when you buy any of these estates. This is the power of land banking, and it's an investment you wouldn't want to overlook. Hello and welcome to my channel. It's your real estate expert Victoria Chinzirum. So today I was enjoying this amazing view and weather, and I thought to bring you along so that you could see what this part of Enugu looks like in the month of August 2023. So I started making this video from IMT down to Premier Layout, and in this video I'll also be explaining everything you need to know on land banking and how you can make massive profits from it in Enugu, Nigeria. So come along with me and take a good look at what this part of Enugu looks like as at today. And if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also the like button. So land banking refers to the practice of acquiring or holding lands in underdeveloped or developing areas for future development or investment purposes. It involves buying land in units or bulk at the current price with the intention of selling it in the future. Now, land banking can be done by literally anyone, that's individuals, by company, or even the government. Now, every other person is into land banking, and if the person has a good land banking strategy, you might discover that they made their wealth from land banking. Now, some of these investors tie the bulk of their profits in real estate for a long time, and the appreciated value explodes them into riches. Now, the secret behind this is simple. Land is limited in supply, and its value always appreciates no matter what. All billionaires in the world bank land, and most of them will not tell you this. It's not going to make you rich overnight, no, but it certainly will make you rich. Real estate investment, which includes land banking, is the safest and surest way to get rich, especially here in Enugu, Nigeria. Why should I invest in land? Why shouldn't I just leave my money in the bank? No. I'll explain the reasons to you. Number one, the value of the property will always keep increasing and it hardly ever comes down. And land is one of the best assets that has the potential to appreciate over a more extended period of time. So investing in land that has high development potential at the current or lower market value ensures maximum return to the investors, okay? If only I knew then. Had I known. I know most of you have heard of this. It is a common expression that have been used whenever people find out that the property that they were procrastinating on has increased in price and value. I am sure that most people would love to have bought as much real estate as possible 5 to 10 years ago. Now let me tell you something. There is no better time to buy land and wait than now. As long as it is in a well-located area, you would profit full-time from it. As long as it's in a genuine location and the property is verified, you would make a lot of money from it. This is one of the safest ways to store your money and increase wealth. This is much better than leaving your money in the bank. And as for Nigerians in diaspora, I think this is the best time for you to invest in properties here in Enugu State, because in 5 to 10 years time, you'll be making massive profits. You will be a wealthy person when it comes to real estate, okay? Now, in my channel, I have posted about properties that will give you massive profits by the 1st of September. You can actually go and check them out so that you can see which one that is more profitable to you and let me know. If you're interested in profiting from land banking here in Enugu and you're ready to join the investor vibes, then chat me up on WhatsApp or call me on the number that is displayed on the screen for more details and information on how you can profit from land banking here in Enugu and become an investor. Okay, Golden Gate Estate is one of them. Crystal Garden is one of them. Then University City is one of the properties you can buy now and start making profits from the 1st of September. Okay, that is like 2 days from now, or even 1 day from now. Okay, now you should key into this opportunity while it's still lasts so that you can make massive profits in just a day, to show you how land banking works and how amazing this investment platform is. Okay, now I would always remain your number one real estate agent here in Enugu, and I'll always be posting almost every day concerning real estate and properties that are available for sale. See you on the next one, and make sure you enjoy this drive till the end. Have an amazing day, guys. Bye.